what that is? It's an ice cream truck. Okay.
I think I have a picture of you when you were not with him still.
Yeah. 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 But it's not the white one. It's yellow now. Sister's yellow. Dude, man, I need to go get some popsicles now cause I'm craving for some ice cream. Let's go find it, dude. Or probably follow it and see where it's going. And after that, we can go to Walmart. Already doing there's no signs up. It says opening soon. I can't see far away with it. Yeah, guys. I saw the ice cream truck, and now I see Spirit Halloween now. Cause I know me and my dad are going to Fusco. So like and subscribe, guys, and I'll make another video to Spirit Halloween. Peace, goodbye.